Hi, if you're a young parent or a soon to be parent, I'm sure you're doing a lot of thinking about parenting. So, how about if I share with you my 10 commandments of unparenting? You heard me right? Unparenting. See, my name is Mayank Gaur and I'm the father of twin boys, both adults now and both working. And, honestly speaking, over the past few years, I have this sneaking suspicion that I have a third child as well. Now, her name is Bunny and she's 6 years old and blonde and beautiful. And she lives in a place called Bunnyland, right? And this Bunnyland is in this storybook over here, which I want to share with you. Yeah, it's called Which Life Are You From? I'm the father of the book and of Bunny. And among the various things that the book talks about, which is basically based on lives and past lives and the impact of relationships in one life over other lives and so on and so forth. But one of the things every reader has mentioned to me is the interesting take the book has on parenting. Okay, unconventional, unusual, I might say, but a different kind of parenting. So it contrasts the conventional disciplinarian approach of parenting with loving and intuitive parenting. It contrasts parent downward parenting with child upward parenting. In the parenting that is provided to Bunny by her parents on one side, and then her maternal grandfather who's an Englishman staying in England on the other side. Now, I want to make it clear that I have no intention of saying one parenting is better than another parenting. It's just that since I am the recipient of intuitive parenting and I've given my children intuitive parenting along with my wife, I would like to believe that I have a right to my two bits. So here goes my 10 commandments of unparenting. Okay. Commandment number 1. Thou shalt not be in a hurry to drag thy child out of childhood. Think about it. Commandment number 2. Thou shalt not teach thy child to be a people pleaser. Okay? You shall not teach your child to be a people pleaser. Commandment number 3. Thou shalt grab every possible opportunity to revisit thy childhood with thy child while that child is still a child. Commandment number 4. Thou shalt not decide what thy child wants to be in life. I would like to underline this. Thou shalt not decide what thy child wants to be in life. Commandment number 5. Thou shalt not say shalt not to thy child. Commandment number 6. Thou shalt celebrate thy child's special gift rather than suppress it. I dread to think of how many Virat Kohlis and Roger Federers and Bruce Springsteens are pushing pens in offices, doing very well, perhaps. But the fact is that those people with that gift of God sitting around and doing what they never wanted to do, they were forced to do so. Commandment number 6, thou shalt celebrate the child's special gift rather than suppress it. Then commandment number 7, thou shalt not reprimand thy child, and certainly never in public. I would like to emphasize this, never in public. Commandment number 8, thou shalt not treat thy child's mischief as a crime. In fact, if thee were me, then thee would mentor the child in mischief. Commandment number 9, thou shalt teach thy child to treasure value over worth. Now, I will be speaking individually about all of these 10 commandments in other videos, and I would like to emphasize each one of them separately. My final 10th commandment is, thou shalt be the parent thee wish thy parents were when you were a child. So these are the 10 commandments of unparenting by an unparented son and an unparenting father. If you agree with me, you would perhaps like to watch other videos which elaborate upon this approach to parenting that I have received, I have given to my children. There will be very interesting anecdotes as well about how my father conspired with me and my friends to get us out of school to watch a blockbuster movie. About how my children told me and my wife when they were 9 years old what they wanted to do in life, and they're doing that. Okay? So there you are. There are links to my YouTube channel as well as ways of friending me on social media. If you agree with me, I think you would like to do that. And if you disagree with me, I suggest you do that even more, because I would have given you completely free of cost a wonderful manual of what not to do as a parent. See you later. Take care.